So I'm in a crazy gold buys right now. I've got price retesting this level, then displacing on the lower time frame, and I got in holding for a buy. The only problem I have with this buys is the swing highs. I consider resistance and support, swing high, and other blocks. So I see this resistance here, swing high. I see this swing high over here. Normally, this is meant to be my take profits, but because the risk reward wouldn't make sense, I'll just hold it here, hold it all the way to this level based on the conviction. For me, it does not look like it's going to go down, but if it does, no problem, bro. I see that okay, price is set. Wednesday's low, so hopefully it should go up. The reason I took this buy was because price respected this other block, then came to sweep this low, and then still displaced back up. So that was what made me take the buy. But as you can see, price is consolidating. So whether this should be a win or this should be a loss, I know it's going to take quite a while. Yeah, so I'm in a trade on silver also. This one is looking terrible. This was my sell zone, this was my buy zone. Price respected this, but got to my sell zone before it gave me an entry. So that's the reason that I took this buy instead of the sell. So let's see how this one turns out to be. Then for my mistake of the day, NZD card. NZD USD. I was supposed to wait for price to get to this level, but price formed the swing, retested the rejection block display. So I was like, oh, why not just hop in? And price could likely go to fill this gap from here without retracing. Unfortunately, that didn't happen. I got smoked. So that puts me in about 1.16 drawdown, 1.16% drawdown. This is just equity because of my floating trade. Let's trade on my live account. It's not looking good at all. Not looking good. So let's look at the rest, what I'm looking to do on the rest. So price has gotten to my buy zone on GBP, but I don't take a trade if, for example, like the 4-hour form an engulfing type candle, I get into my level. What's an engulfing type candle? It's when price sweeps the high of the previous 4-hour candle, then it goes to my level. So if price can sweep this low again, then displace, then I'll buy all the way. Well, I can see price has gotten to this other block, so I might not buy. But for Euro USD, same thing happened, an engulfing type candle, but I'm seeing price is sweeping this low. So on the close of this candle, I'll see if I can get into a buy, but I'm not sure based on how everything is looking, so let's just watch out. Same thing on Swiss engulfing type candle. I still need a sweep. AUD USD. I'm looking to sell AUD USD. I just need kind of like a higher low to form, then a displacement to continue the sell all the way to this level. If this doesn't give me an entry before it gets to my TP, you guys, I'll be fucking pissed. For NZD USD, still have my actual level, so let's see how that turns out. JPY, I'm not looking to do anything. So gold, we just have gold and we have silver. I trust gold more than silver because I don't like as it got to this level before it came to my level. But let's see how things turns out. Yeah, so that's it for today's Thursday. Tomorrow is Friday, so hopefully Friday will make a significant move. If it doesn't, then we have Friday. Then we have next week. And one advice I'm going to give to you if you're an upcoming trader, this may sound cliche, but get another source of income, because there's just this detachment you feel when you're in a trade. If you have another source of income, if you know you're not depending on the money for anything, so you just make sure that you have money. Okay, I have enough money to pay my bills, so regardless of the outcome of this trade, I'm still going to be able to pay my bills. I'm still going to be able to have a little fun, obviously. Yeah, so that's it for this video. Hopefully my next recap would be probably Wednesday, because I don't trade Mondays and Tuesdays. Yeah, and I'm not sure I'm going to see a trade on Wednesday, but if I do, I'm going to make a little recap, or maybe I'll just move it to Wednesday. Yeah, so thank you for watching, and as always, good trading.